iLEAP Club, Rebuttals in Debate, Juniors. Hello, iLEAP Club members. Today we will cover how to do rebuttals in debate. What is a rebuttal? Welcome to iLEAP Club Debate Training. Today we will learn an important debate skill called rebuttal. In a debate, the other team will share their ideas. A rebuttal is when you respond to their idea politely and clearly. A rebuttal explains two things. First, why their idea may be weak. Second, why your idea is stronger. Remember this important rule. A rebuttal is not arguing angrily. It is about thinking carefully and explaining clearly. Great debaters always listen first and then respond respectfully. The three-step junior rebuttal formula. Now let's learn a very simple method. We call it the three-step rebuttal formula. Step 1. They said. Repeat the other team's idea. Step 2. But. Explain the problem with their idea. Step 3. Because. Give your reason or example. Let's see a quick example. They said homework helps students learn more, but too much homework can make students tired because children need time to rest and play. This simple structure helps students respond clearly in a debate. Rebuttal example. Let's look at another example. The debate topic is, should students have homework every day? The other team might say, students should have homework every day. Your rebuttal could be, but too much homework can make students tired because students need time to relax and spend time with family. A strong rebuttal always explains why the other idea is weaker. Strong rebuttal trick. Here is a trick that makes rebuttals stronger. Always try to add a short example. A strong rebuttal usually includes three things. First, mention the other team's idea. Second, explain the problem. Third, give a small example. Listen to this example. They said uniforms create discipline, but discipline comes from good behavior because students can behave well even without uniforms. Remember, short explanations are clear and powerful. Common rebuttal mistakes. Now let's look at some common mistakes. First mistake. Do not repeat the same argument again. Second mistake. Do not attack the person. Debate is always respectful. Third mistake. Do not only say, I disagree. Instead, use stronger phrases like, I understand their idea, but, or, however, this idea has a problem, or, this argument is weak because. Always remember, debate is about ideas, not people. Rebuttal practice activity. Now it's time to practice. Your teacher will read a statement. Your job is to respond using the formula. They said, but, because. Here are some practice topics. Students should play video games every day. Schools should not have homework. Children should stay up late. Try to respond in one clear sentence. The more carefully you listen, the stronger your rebuttals will become. Great debaters always listen, think, and respond clearly. Good luck, iLEAP Club members!
Time to build your confidence so high. Let your greatest potential touch the sky. Step outside your comfort zone today.